You must be wondering what I'm doing with this machine.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not advertising the machine, but I'm going to pressure wash a tree that I just dug out from the field. And it was so interesting that I haven't got the heart to throw it away, but the roots look very interesting. But it came out of the pot like this. It was grown in a flower pot for about maybe 10 years, and the roots didn't have anywhere to go. And these, to most bonsai people, would look like very ugly roots. But it occurred to me, rather than try and cut these roots off, let's make a feature of it. So what I'm in the process of doing is, with a pressure washer, I'm going to wash the roots off and make this like a near galley, that means exposed root style. So we will start using the pressure washer to see how much soil we can get off, so that we will pot it up and make a nice bonsai with it. Well, this tree looks nice from this side, so it's going to become like a twin trunk tree viewing from this side. And these very fine roots, I'll try and get them going lower down. So the object is to plant it like this and show the roots. I don't want these fine roots. I'm going to get the roots to grow below. And I want to show these thick roots. The aim is to try and just keep the thick roots and eliminate some of the fine roots. So we'll jet it a little more. This tree, by the way, is the English field maple, Acer campestri. and they are extremely vigorous trees, and in fact they grow from root cuttings. If you were just to cut a little sliver of root and put it in soil, you'll get a new plant. So I'm not worried about doing this to the tree because it will not suffer at all. I hadn't realized that it's such a tedious process, just prodding around. But without the jetter, I wouldn't be able to get a lot of the soil off. So that's the only way of doing it. I don't think there are any crazy people who make bonsai with a car jet washer, but I like to try different things and I try to adapt different tools and implements. Some of you have laughed at me when I use the great big axe, but I think this will attract even more humor and attention when you see me using this. This is not everyone's cup of tea, but it's something weird and wonderful, and this is what bonsai is all about. It's something like the Chinese style. The Chinese like these roots exposed root style, and this is probably reminiscent of that.
Certainly a lot more exposed now.
Yeah. See like that? That way.
So what's your intention? You're going to put rocks under it?
Huh?
You're going to put rocks
Yeah,
under
you can put rocks, but just exposed is quite nice. I will talk about it tomorrow. I won't complete it today. Let me try and get some more of this one. Keep it here for the night, dear. I'll use it again tomorrow. I'll just take a minute. Right, today is the 13th of June, and I've waited 3 months before I could show you this. We first started doing the video on the 26th of March this year, when it was not quite spring, and I showed you how we used the pressure jet washer, for the car pressure jet washer, to wash the roots. After that we put it in a pot, and then I had to wait for the leaves to come. But because this is a English field maple, Acer campestre, it was deciduous at the time, but now all the new leaves and shoots have come, and here you are, barely 3 months on, and this is the end result of this tree. Look at the beautiful contorted roots and the trunk and the detail. So these are trees that we just grew in the field, and because the roots were contorted, I made a feature of the roots. So there you are. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have a pressure washer for washing your car, you can also pressure wash your bonsai and make something interesting like this. So thank you very much.